Coming up on this episode, we journey to a small town deep in the cloud forest of the Colombian highlands. Join us for the beautiful and unique attractions of this secret paradise. Welcome to Jardin, a garden amongst waterfalls.
Alright, welcome to Jardin. The bus ride was supposed to take 3 hours, but it took
It's now 6, it took 5 hours.
It took 5 hours instead because some truck broke down and a tractor had to push it off the road. The roads on the way here is like a single road highway all the way. So if one lane is down, that's it. So we were stuck in a jam for a very, very long time. The roads are super windy, so the bus driver made up a lot of time by going at double the speed limit. The speed limit is 30, he's going at 60. He's cornering at 60, alright, on the edge of the cliff. That was crazy, but number one bus driver.
Now we're going to the hotel, Europa, Ecotour, and hopefully they have hot water this time.
It's raining, so we'll see you there.
Oh, hi. Welcome to our Hotel Europa Ecotour room tour. It's still open 180 degrees. Okay, so this is our room. We have another random room here. I have no idea what this is. Weird. We have a TV, a very old TV. I've not seen such a thick TV in a long time.
CRT TVs, good for
And then we have 2 beds. Hard, soft. But John is sleeping in that room over there. In the closet. And here, this is like the strange storage space. So small. And we have the kitchen. The stove that doesn't work. And I don't know, just like random cramped spaces. Here we have an area to wash our clothes and to dry our clothes and to wash ourselves. The tiniest toilet. I don't know why the rooms here are so big but the toilets are so small. I don't know why. So that's it.
Like snow when it falls in the wind, you know. And you say you wanna dance. You're wary, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? You're having fun. What if it never ends?
Hello! We have made it to the central part of Jardin, where there's a really nice church behind us. It's raining, so there's not many people around, but it's nice. It's really nice.
Yeah, and the park is surrounded by a bunch of restaurants. So we're trying to find some dinner. Hopefully the prices are not Cancun prices.
It won't be, but it'll be out of our shoestring budget.
Oh yeah, shoestring budget, that's what we're on. Shoestring!
Shoestring, look at my shoes!
Time for dinner. Alright, it's our first night in Jardin. And we've come to the central square where a bunch of food vendors have set up and they're serving various random foods. as cheapskates, we had to get some of the cheaper food, which turns out to be junk food as usual. So over here we've got two things. The first one's called sachi papa. I'm not sure what's the translation, but basically it's freshly fried French fries with sausage and corn and a small little hot dog, smothered with God knows what kind of sauces, right? I think she put at least 10 different sauces on there. I think there's ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, there's some kind of sweet sauce, I have no idea. It looks terrible for your arteries, but amazing for your mouth. Okay, so I'm gonna try some of the French fries first. You know what? I'm gonna get a sausage and a French fry. Can I get some cheese? Oh yeah. Alright, this is a bite. Let's try it. Sachi papa. Salty. French fries are crispy. The cheese is the packet cheese that you get from Singapore. The square ones. Very delicious. I think this is at least 2,000 calories, which will be good because tomorrow we're supposed to be doing some activities. The next dish we have is just called chorizo, which obviously has chorizo in it. It comes with an arepa too. As always, you gotta try the star of the show first. The chorizo looked amazing in the store window, so now gotta try some. Oh, yes. That is what a chorizo is supposed to taste like, okay? Not just salty. Got some herbs, some spices. The snap of the skin is incredible. Chase that with some overly seasoned French fries. And a bite of the crispy arepa. For drinks, we got something that everyone in Singapore is familiar with. Milo, also called Milo. So, I think I need to review it, but here goes some hot calientes Milo. Great for a cold day over here. Ah, amazing. It's raining, as you can tell from the rain gear, but we're gonna sit here and finish up this food. Okay, now that I've eaten more of it, I know what this reminds me of now. This is Colombian poutine, which is a Canadian dish, but somehow has ended up over here too. Seems like the entire world loves their French fries covered in sauce. Good morning.
Morning.
It's our first full day in Jardin, and we have 4 important things to do. The first one is download our offline maps. Apparently there's no signal where we're going today.
Check.
Number 2 is find our bus ticket to our next location, which is where we're headed now.
Number 3 is to go to hike and see the waterfalls. And number 4 is to find our tour for tomorrow, and we're trying to find a tour that brings us to the most touristy waterfall there is to do in Jardin. So it's a definite must do, I think. Yeah. So that's our plan for today.
Okay. See you later. Mission 2 complete.
Mission complete.
we're now about to take the La Garrucha? La Garrucha. It looks a lot more rickety. Hola! Hola! Looks like a cage. And there's a doge with us too. Alright, hold on for your lives. No, no! It's like a roller coaster. We're here. Gracias. We're alive. Buenos dias. Hola. I think we need to pay
10,000 please.
10,000. This thing is definitely not winning any OSHA awards for safety, but it definitely helps the locals get up faster instead of hiking all the way around, which we will do. But yeah, see? Part of the change of the country.
That's true.
Yeah? Found the first waterfall.
The tiny waterfall. It's called Corazon. We finally reached our destination, Cascada del Amor, which means waterfall of love. A lot of love right there. Third item of the day, done.
Mission number 3, complete.
Mission complete.
Complete. Buenos dias.
Good morning.
We're now going on a tour to visit the Cueva del Esplendor, which is the waterfall in a cave.
It's the most famous thing to do in Jardin, and we decided to do it on a Sunday, so it's most likely going to be really crowded. But no choice, today is our last full day here
Yeah.
before we head off. I heard the water is extremely cold,
So he's gonna go
so
in.
she's gonna go in.
He's gonna go in.
We'll see. the Mirador, which is a viewpoint. But you can't really see anything because it's very cloudy today. Look, we're in the clouds. You can see the mist.
We just got off the jeep and I assume it's going to be a walk to the waterfall.
You gotta walk to the guy's house first.
Oh, right.
And then he will guide you into the waterfall, which is in his house. So cool.
We drove for, how long did we drive for?
For like 30 minutes.
30 minutes past his gate and we're still in his property.
Very big property. It's raining. And we're still walking.
The 20 minutes in the rain, they served us some hot sugarcane tea.
We also got some food.
Looks plate of food.
Looks like an arepa with cheese and a empanada.
We are walking down to the cave, waterfall cave.
And it's super muddy. Luckily, we brought boots.
It's stuck. Okay, wow.
Not too bad.
Another river crossing.
Hola. Hola. Entering the secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Through the mountains. Secret tunnel.
Secret tunnel. Yeah.
It's the wishing wall.
The wishing wall.
I think you have to touch it and make a wish.
Can I do it? What do you wish for?
Secret.
What?
Hey, your turn. What do you wish for?
Secret! See the power of the water punch the hole through the rock after millions of years. Getting blasted by the water. Oh, it's so cold.
How big is your cave?
It's even bigger because it's raining. And now the long climb back up with a human traffic jam. Heading back now. That was amazing. It's a lot bigger in real life. Yeah, so you definitely need to come here when you're in Jardin. Make sure to bring your waterproof jackets and your waterproof boots because that's what the ground looks like. Gotta go faster.
Must go faster.
Okay, we're now at Park National Jardin de Rocas.
And we are early. Apparently, the birds start being active at 4.
What kind of birds?
Cock of the rock.
We're looking for the cock of the rock.
They're red birds and they make like this sound.
You sound exactly like the bird.
The Andean cock of the rock is a large bird native to the Andean cloud forests of South America. The males have a brilliant orange plumage and a disc-like crest around the head, while the females are dark brown in color. While these birds are not considered endangered, encounters with them are quite rare as they are easily disturbed and prefer to roost high up on the cliffs. Park Natural Jardin de Rocas is one of the few places in the world where wild cocks of the rock gather to perform their mating displays. These displays take place in communal legs where rival males face off by jumping, flapping their wings, and giving off their distinctive squawking and grunting calls. The owners of the park were extremely passionate about conservation, and it was incredible to experience such a unique display from such a close distance.
Wow, that was amazing. Have you seen so many cocks in one place before?
No.
If you love cocks on a rock, please subscribe to our channel. Oh, goes the microwave.
The camera is getting rained on.
Bird poop counter number 2.
Second bird poop of this trip.
Stop! So many flies.